In this video, you'll learn how to download WordPress on Namecheap. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully installed WordPress on your hosting account, allowing you to create and manage your website efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to namecheap.com. Once the website loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button and enter your username and password to access your Namecheap account if prompted. Complete any additional security verification to proceed. After logging in, look for the hosting option in the top menu. Clicking on hosting will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Manage button next to the hosting plan you wish to use for your WordPress installation. This will take you to the management interface for your selected hosting plan. Next, find and click on the Go to cPanel button. This action will redirect you to the cPanel dashboard, which is the control panel for managing your hosting account. Once the cPanel interface appears, scroll down until you see the section labeled Softaculous Apps Installer. In the Softaculous Apps Installer section, locate and click on the WordPress icon. This will open the WordPress installation page. On this page, you will see the option to install now. Click this button to begin the installation process for WordPress. You now need to fill in several important fields. For the domain section, select the domain where you want to install WordPress. In the site name field, enter the title of your website. For the admin username and admin password, choose your preferred login credentials for accessing your WordPress dashboard. Lastly, provide your email address in the designated field, as this will be used for notifications and password recovery. Once you have completed all required fields, click the Install button to initiate the installation process. Depending on your internet speed and the server response, it may take a moment for the installation to complete. After the installation is finished, you will see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress has been successfully installed. To access your new WordPress site, navigate to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Here you can log in using the admin username and password you created earlier. This will take you to the WordPress dashboard where you can start customizing your site and adding content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.